Hey, welcome back to my channel. Joe here. I make videos on bag making, scrap busting, and hair accessories. Today I'm going to show you how I reuse scrap fabrics. I'm going to make a fabric bowl and a wrist strap. So for the wrist strap, you will cut one strip of 1 inch wide by 23 inches long. Choose the bits of scrap fabric that you would like to add to your wrist strap, whatever color combination that suits you, and you can layer it as many times as you like. Once you've completed layering your scrap pieces onto the adhesive side of your interfacing, you will take this to your ironing board and iron the pieces flat. Following, take this to your sewing machine and do some messy stitching, whether it's a straight stitch, zigzag stitch, or decorative stitches that might come with your sewing machine. And this is what you should have at this point. All your fabric pieces are stitched to your interfacing strip. You can cut the edges neat, but I didn't do that. I prefer to leave it as it is. And you fold it over in half. Edges of your scrappy wrist strap, and this is what I have here, both sides stitched using a zigzag stitch. Fold over the two raw ends at 1/2 inch, and you can use a metal snap closure. In my case, I used a piece of velcro to fasten my ends, and you're done. Your wrist strap is now complete. This is a fabric that is 9 inches square and 2 heavy interfacing the same size. Your interfacing onto the brown side of your fabric pieces. Place the two fabric pieces right sides together and stitch around the edges, leaving a 4-inch opening and using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Fold the opening inwards, press and sew around the edges using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Fold your piece on a diagonal, forming a point. Measure 1 3/4 inch in from that point, mark and sew. Repeat this for all 4 points. After which you will have a square bowl. You don't want a square bowl, you want your bowl to be round, so we will do some further stitching to create that effect, to create a rounding effect. So this is what you have at this point. all 4 sides are stitched. Follow along the video to see how to make your bowl round. Push the point towards the edge of the bowl, lining up the points with the seam, and sew 1/4 inch down and parallel to the edge. Repeat this for all 4 sides, and this will complete your bowl. I hope you found this video useful in reusing some of your scrap fabrics and tidying up your sewing room. For more videos on scrap busting and bag making, I will leave links in the upper right of your screen and in the description. If you want to make 2 smaller sizes of the bowl, I will leave a link to my blog in the description as well. Thank you for watching, and see you in my next video.